You've probably had beef filet mignon grilled in bacon. This morning we scored some super fresh albacore tuna. I give you a Project Smoke First filet mignon of the sea. To cook the albacore filet mignons, I'm using an Arteflame grill. It's a combination wood-burning grill and plancha, plancha being a fire-heated griddle. To fire it up, you start with a couple chimneys of lit charcoal, and then add logs to the fire, and these logs are going to generate a great smoke flavor. So once the wood is in, place the grate on the grill. How do you know when the grill is hot enough for grilling? Well, you can drop a few drops of water on the plancha part, and if they evaporate instantly, you're in business. Or you can go high-tech with this point-and-shoot laser thermometer. 375 degrees, right where you want to be. And like a conventional grill, you oil the plancha and the grate with a grill oiler drawn across the surface. And don't forget to oil the bars of the grate. So take one of the bacon-wrapped albacore fillets and place it on the plancha. I like to start fish on the plancha to firm it up, and then finish it directly over the wood fire. This is really a quick sear on each side. When albacore is this fresh, you don't want to overcook it. Once the bacon and fish are browned on the bottom, just do a third of a turn, and look at that. No sticking whatsoever. You can smell the smokiness of the bacon. And then we'll turn it once more and sear the other side. Then the last thing you want to do is move the albacore directly over the wood fire. And that's how you'll reinforce the smoke flavor. Give it another turn. Once the fish is seared and smoked, transfer it to a wire rack over a sheet pan. Bacon wrap albacore loin and snip off the strings. And then cut the albacore crosswise. Oh, look at that. Nice smoky sear on the outside, and the fish is beautifully rare in the center. Wow, this is really amazing. The fish is fresh, sushi quality in the center, that nice bacon sear, and you've got the licorice from the tarragon and tartness from the sauce. This is a great steak from the sea.